मैं हमेशा विश्वास करता हूं कि नारी शक्ति रॉक्स और स्टार स्पेशल में मैं सिद्धार्थ कनन कह रहा हूं कि आज एक नारी शक्ति है. शी रॉक्स एंड हाउ वुमन ऑफ सब्सटेंस एंड द ओनली वुमन आई हैड अ क्रश टिल डेट. उसके बाद किसी के साथ क्रश नहीं रहा है. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, ऐश्वर्या राय. ताली बजाओ सब लोग.
Siddharth, you're unbelievable. I can't believe you just said that.
I really mean that. ओनली क्रशा मैं मेंटेन करता हूं आज तक. I'm in front of my crush. Here I want to ask you. Really tell me, huh? Every year that I've seen you, you look more and more and more and more pretty, यार. How do you manage this? दिल से मैं बोल रहा हूँ यार. I mean, years के बाद लोग सोचते हैं कोई maybe looks a little older and stuff like that. You're looking younger and younger.
That's very sweet. वो तो अभी ये जो filter है ना वो मतलब with affection का जो filter है उस पे तो thank you so much.
But you know जब हम लोग सबने promos देखी थी really यार, हम लोग सब एक ही रूम में थे. Some got goosebumps. थोड़े लोग रोने लगे. Everyone was swayed with emotions. When you must have been shooting it, Aishwarya, आपके दिमाग और दिल में इतने सारे emotions जा रहे होंगे. Did this film emotionally drain you?
Emotionally we committed a lot to this film और जानकर ये subject जब उमंग ले आए तो firstly I think everybody already knows now कि तुरंत मैंने हाँ कहा क्योंकि I felt कि जैसे कि उन्होंने title कहा सरबजीत, I felt like a divine connect because 10 years ago, Dalveer ji जब वो petition ले रही थी to bring Sarabjit back, that petition had reached me and I had signed for it. और 10 साल बाद जब मैं ये सुन रही हूँ इनका नाम तो I just felt कुछ ना कुछ connect है ज़िंदगी में. Our paths had crossed, albeit under unimaginable circumstances. In a way, I felt there is reason that the subject has come my way. ये नहीं कि मैंने एक एक्टर की नज़रिए से देखा कि कितना इमोशनल रेंज मिलेगा, ये तो मैंने कभी नहीं देखा जब मैं स्क्रिप्ट सुन रही थी, लेकिन जब मैं कहानी सुन रही थी. लेकिन येस, एज एन एक्टर देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी व्हेन यू आर टेलिंग सच अ डीप ह्यूमन स्टोरी, बट दैट्स नॉट व्हाट आई वाज थिंकिंग व्हेन आई एग्रीड टू डू द फिल्म. आई जस्ट वांटेड टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी बीइंग टोल्ड और मैं चाहती हूँ कि कहानी बहुत लोगों तक पहुँचे, बहुत दर्शकों तक पहुँचे, क्योंकि एक ऐसे इंसान के संघर्ष को पहचानना बहुत ज़रूरी है.
अच्छा, when Amit ji and Abhishek and Jaya ji saw the trailer, what was the first thing each one told you? Yeah? Did they actually express or they said, मुझे मालूम है मेरी जो daughter in law है, बेटी अच्छा काम करती है.
वो आप उनसे पूछे, you'll get the opportunity to meet them all. I did get that's good, huh?
From whom? Who was this?
From all. Independently, individually, not like together, because Abhishek saw it independently and he thought it was incredibly powerful. Pa saw it. I was, I think, with Aradhya, I was doing something. I just said, Pa, out of respect, obviously, I said, Pa, the trailer, because I was actually got a very overwhelming response on the day. And matlab, sare taraf se I was getting messages, calls. It was really, really overwhelming. And I felt that I said, Pa, the trailer, and he said, I have seen it. It's good, huh? It's good. He just referred to that hut and he said it's good. For me, I mean, to get that from him is huge. And Ma wasn't in the country at the time and she came back much later and I think Abhishek showed her the trailer. So Abhishek said, did you see the trailer? And he showed it to her. And I mean, she just went, it's good, huh?
So the whole family says it's good. Good, huh?
So जब वो good आ जाता है मतलब it was a very, very good film.
Amit ji ने ऐसा बोला, it's good, huh?
He wants to imitate her.
मेरी वही है.
It's your voice you want to.
मैं करके दिखाऊं क्या इतना? हाँ? रिश्ते में हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं. नाम है शहनशाह. अच्छा लगा कि नहीं?
You're loving the voice. Oh ho. My God, how much have you practiced for this?
यार जिंदगी भर बाबा. मेरा तो बस यही है. And moment I meet Amit ji, मैं
सब बंद हो जाती है.
फुसकी हो जाती, पप्पू बन जाता हूँ यार. You know what? You are an embodiment of happiness. You're always smiling. You're always happy. But you also have a very strong sensitive side. And that's what makes you a wonderful human being. That's what makes you complete. And I mean that from the bottom of my heart. In one of the functions, you had tears in your eyes. What was going on in your head at that time?
Nothing was going on in my head. I think it was straight from the heart. I wasn't thinking it through. It's not just one function, I think throughout, so many times. Sometimes the camera captures it, sometimes they don't, and that doesn't matter. I think when you're listening to the lady, or when you get to hear of the experiences, or when you even, I'm sure when you watch this film, or people, that's why you're like sensitive people. If you felt gooseflesh when you saw the trailer, when you saw the first promo of the film, it's because you're emotionally connected. You're a sensitive human being. That's bound to evoke that. And you know, Dalbir ji is a very special lady. I feel उनका जो तेज है, उनका जो एक प्रकाश है, उनकी character में, persona में, it shines through. यार, she's just incredible. To have such resilience and such strength, and to have that, when she till date, she'll talk about her experiences, she'll share it with people, इतनी मिठास के साथ, and I think that's lovely. It's not कि you know, मेरी कहानी is so serious, then why are we also here promoting the music or smiling or laughing or dancing? वो नहीं है, वो bitterness नहीं है, and ये सब बहुत बड़ी बातें हैं. मतलब these are little observations, but they speak volumes for me about a personality, about an individual, and that makes her a highly evolved person, human being to me.
I find there's a lot of connection between you and her as human beings. A lady, you know, who's smiling away to glory despite having tough sides, things happening as well. One who's celebrating life as well. One who's sensitive as well. So that must have been a great connection. Yeah?
Now that you're saying it, yes, I guess. That's why I think that's probably what our first meeting was like. When we met, we hugged each other, and you know, this for some time we didn't exchange words.
You didn't talk at all.
But we still feel we communicated so much to each other. You know, I didn't meet her before I started the film, because I felt कि, you know, it's a, I mean, media ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है. They have documented quite a bit about the episode. She has spoken through the media to our people, to Indians, to the higher corridors of power. And I had that too as documented referencing. But so I didn't want to meet her to observe her. I thought that would be just so selfish कि हम मिले और कुछ भी बातें करें, but actually I'm watching her कि कैसे बात करती हैं, उनके हाव भाव क्या है, which is not me at all. So I definitely did not want to do that. So to the surprise of most within the team, I was like, no, I don't want to meet her. We'll start the film. I'll meet her whenever she comes on the set या जो भी हो. I don't want to meet her.
आपकी बेटी भी आपकी फिल्म्स देखती है कि नहीं? उनको अभी समझ आ गई है कि माँ इतनी अच्छी काम करती है. उनको
इतनी अच्छी and all I don't know. वो समझ में आ गया कि हम करते क्या हैं. She is a normal kid like any other, but it's bits. She's seen songs and it's very cute. She's at that phase of life where she loves to dance and she responds to music and to our music, and yeah, that's all there. So right now all this is also going on.
You look so
and she did the dola, the little things, quite cute, but I think she picked it up because of the stage performance. It's not that I've sat and shown her videos. So it's very, very cute.
You know, I think one more thing which is very cute about you is last time when we were doing a telephonic chat and stuff like that, हम लोग का इंटरव्यू थोड़ा डिले हो गया, तो मैंने पूछा क्या कर रही है ईश्वर, बोला बेटी को स्कूल में फेच करने जा रही है.
हाँ. आज भी छोड़ के आई हूँ everything. That's a regular. Every day for throughout a play school, pick up and drop off I would do. कुल मिल के I think हाथ में गिन सकते हैं how many days I may not have managed. She's going to school now, so play school. But even in that, the drop off for sure every day, even if a couple of days I've missed pick up thanks to media and promotional activity. लेकिन नहीं तो I definitely am there.
You know, you've done so much of work. You've done so much of goodwill for the society as well. I followed you so closely. Like you was talking about Dalbir saying thank you, you do that yourself all the time, you acknowledge people. How does you, whether it's your side or your, the Bachchan side, whichever, maintain the simplicity? It's so beautiful. How do you manage it to just be so grounded despite all the aura, the acclaim and stuff like that?
That's the sweetest thing you can say. It's not something that is by design. I'm thankful for your observation. And I feel, chalo, I've kept my mum and dad's maan samman and their inculcation and values because I've always said that I will always be their daughter, you know, irrespective of whatever vocation I may have taken, and that's the way I conduct myself. I don't know any other way. I mean, that's who I'm born to, that's who I live with, that's who I've looked up to, that's who I've observed. So that's who they are. and that's what they've inculcated in me and my brother, and that's who we are and will be. And you know, when people even sometimes ask that how are you going to raise Aradhya, I'm like, I don't know, but knowingly, unknowingly, you impart what has been inculcated in you to your child, and that's what matters, no, in the larger picture. That's what matters.
Wow. But talking about your brother, are you like elder brother, younger sister, or best friends, high fives की बड़े भैया हैं तो भैया भैया आगे मैं चुप रहूंगी, कैसा है?
No, it's really sweet. He is my elder brother. For the longest time, I am the more talkative one, evidently. And it's lovely how, because whenever people used to meet us, he is deep, he's quiet. So sometimes people would, and he's relatively internalized compared to me. I'm more outspoken. So people would sometimes wonder, and he's got the youth genes more. So
no, I disagree. It's both ways. Yeah, come on, don't underplay.
People who would meet us sometimes, for the longest time, it would be like, I'd say, this is my brother, and then he would only say elder, and people would go, acha, I'd be like, yeah, he's like 3 years and a month elder than me, and still people would always wonder whether I'm the elder sister. Grown up together, and of course the love and the respect is there in place, but I've never had to or been demanded of to play out the Bade Bhaiya number. We are together. We are equals. We're brother and sister.
You know, but I see so much of pride in Abhishek also when he tweets saying Sarabjit Trader dekho, what a performance and stuff. Like, I see pride in him, man. It's so damn good. And then I see you both together at times when he's being pranky and he cracks a joke and you laugh like a college girl. This bond is so beautiful, man. Yeah?
Thank you.
So when you see him backing you up to the hilt,
the roots are in friendship, no? Because we are friends first. We've come together in this. We're husband and wife today, and we're parents to Aradhya. And I think what we share deep-rooted was, and we know this is for life. I mean, no two ways about it.
Of course. But is he that pranky in house also? ऐसे होता है कि वहाँ थोड़े serious हो जाते हैं?
Serious भी हैं.
Serious भी है. मुझे लगता है
very,
कि
very
आपको
serious
रहेंगे वो, हाँ?
No, there are both sides to his personality. Oh man, Abhishek, you're going to be listening. Yeah, very. He's got equal measure of both sides to his personality.
Why are you not on social media and all? You don't like it? Huh?
No, it's not that. When it first started, I just felt that everybody was desperately trying to, get into barometer of popularity. कि किसके कितने followers हैं. वो शुरू में वो बहुत हो रहा था. So I felt 1 minute, this is becoming all about that. And I am immensely, I mean, my well-wishers are great. Yeah, thank you so much. इतना प्यार, इतनी support, तो मुझे कोई इसका validation की ज़रूरत नहीं लगा. ऐसे मैं देख रही थी, maybe मेरा नज़रिया सही नहीं. Because of the fad that it initially was, I felt everybody just felt the need to give some opinion or the other. कुछ नहीं तो, I mean, the food you're eating and had a lovely dinner and यहाँ, I mean, everything was out. So I was like,
मैं अभी नहा रहा हूँ, मैं अभी धो रहा हूँ, मैं
like why? So why? So I kind of didn't want to get onto that, and it is not me either. And if that's what's expected, I may be a huge disappointment because I became a mother. I'm very busy. हर चीज़ को I can't just do it to keep up. I want to do it to connect and stay connected, but not to project. That is not me. It's never been me. You all have known me for years. So I couldn't do that either. But today, I must say that I do recognize with time what the incredible impact, the immense connectivity, the possibilities and the avenues it opens up to be heard, for sharing whatever it be, a voice, an opinion. And there are a lot of avenues that one can choose, which need not be, could be, would be, maybe, should be, Twitter or Facebook. But there can be other possibilities as well. There can be apps, there can be, I think, ways to remain. Through you, I'm very well connected at this point.
Of course, and you're backing you up to the hilt.
Thank you. And aage bhi, I mean, the love is there, guys. I mean, it's immense. The numbers are huge in that.
But you're not on Twitter.
But if that translates, kabhi fan clubs, kabhi well-wishers are there. But it's not necessary that will always translate to tickets here. Then every film should be going through the stratosphere, by that measure. And sometimes people believe that if you tweet and there are people, are you assuring if you tweet that you all are going to actually go and buy the ticket and go watch the movie?
Point.
I'm just telling you all, do it anyways, with or without tweeting, that we're here, I love you, I love your love, it means a lot to me, I cherish it, and all I'm saying is, Thank you for your support. You inspire me to do my best, to select the kind of roles that I do. You liberate me to make me take these risks and make these choices creatively. So I hope you go and watch the work that I choose to do, and it will mean a lot to me, especially on a film like this, because I've also done this knowing fully well that it is a very different subject, but it is a story that needed to be told. So I would love to see that conviction strengthened by your audience. Thank you.
पर एक चीज है, मैं बता दूं, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ ऐश्वर्या राय क्लब सिर्फ मैं हूं, एंड यू कांट टेक दैट. ईट दिस मैन, ओके? बोल दो इन लोग को, मैं ही हूं प्रेसिडेंट, कोई प्रेसिडेंट नहीं बन सकता. या देयर यू गो, गिव मी अ हाई फाइव. क्या बात है. जाने से पहले एक डांस स्टेप मुझे सिखा दो ऐश्वर्या.
अरे ये
आ गया मैं. आ जाओ प्लीज. ऐसे.
या दिस इज फॉर तुंगलक. तुंगलक तुंगलक. अच्छा, the expressions are classic, huh? The expressions are classic. हाथ का movement छोड़ दीजिए, expressions are classic. But it's also like in I think in the Bhangra and Punjabi is you can use this for the bean also. बहुत सारे.
पर मेरा फेंकने का होता है, but I don't फेंको ना.
Now I don't know why I started doing this step. You think about it.
Ladies and gentlemen, all I can say is I love you from the bottom of my heart,
Thank
Aishwarya.
you.
Thank you so much, and here goes 1, 2, 3.
Oh, please, thanks.
M Dunes, feel the music.